Are you ready to bring your business to the next level? We're bringing together a select group of entrepreneurs for an exclusive mastermind event like no other at a stunning Airbnb. Meet Derek, co-founder of Remote Business Academy, a leading platform that empowers entrepreneurs to build passive income.
My goal is simple: help you remove the roadblocks keeping your business stuck so you can finally get to the next level.
Meet Zach. For over a decade, he's worked with businesses of all sizes, showing them how to streamline their marketing, optimize their systems, and ultimately create a business that runs like clockwork.
If you want to hit the next level, it's not just about strategy. It's about putting the right people and the right systems in place that make success inevitable.
This isn't just another weekend seminar. It's a hands-on, high-impact experience designed to give you real, actionable strategies, playbooks, tech stacks, and hand-holding you can use immediately to make money. And here's the best part. Every spot is a VIP spot. That means unrestricted, behind-the-scenes access to all the coaches during the event. Spots are limited. Don't wait. Transform your future now.
You've already had some success,
Now is the time to reach that next level.
but spots are limited.
Apply today, and let's take your business to new heights.
Don't miss this chance to be in the room
Where breakthroughs happen.